Hey, what's up, guys? It is Saturday night, getting closer and closer to the hurricane, and as you guys can see, the rain is coming and the winds are picking up. They say it is now a category. Yes, a category 5 with 180-mile-an-hour wind. We're out here at the Jacksonville beach, and it just started pouring like nobody's business. It just started pouring down rain. Right when I was getting to the beach to go check out what the water looks like, it just started pouring, my boy. Woo! Damn! We do have quite a few people out here at the Jacksonville beach. You know what's crazy, guys? If you look at it, like, the hurricane is supposed to be here either Tuesday or sometime Wednesday, right? But if you look today's Monday, the 2nd of September, I think it's the 2nd. It's just humid, very lightly any wind. You would assume there'd be a lot of rain, a lot of wind, a lot of buildup, but there isn't. It's like they say, it's the truth. The Oh shit! Did that guy run from the cop? Damn, that Ford Mustang was just hauling major ass. But like I said, it's a calm before the storm. Like it's real. I just got an update on my phone that says Jacksonville Beach is closed. I'll give you an example. During Hurricane Matthew, I did see a lot of businesses closing up and putting like metal shutters on their windows. During this hurricane that's supposedly coming like tomorrow, I haven't seen nobody like board up their houses. Well, that's crazy. They say now the hurricane's not supposed to hit till Wednesday or Thursday. They say it keeps slowing down and slowing down. That might mean it's gonna hit, when it does hit like Florida or Jacksonville area, it's going to be significantly a lot of rain because it's going like 2 miles per hour. And if you guys remember Hurricane Harvey that hit Texas, the reason why they had significant like 5 feet of flooding is because it was so slow and it was hovered over them. It wasn't just like a quick just in and out. It was like a marathon. It was going as slow as it possibly could across Galveston, like Texas, and that's why it got flooding. So that's tough.